everyone, Zorimori here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a unboxing and try on video. I'm gonna show you the latest I've gotten from Sezane's fall collection. I don't know if you've been a fan of the brand for long and if you've noticed that the collection releases has gotten really fragmented, and I don't know about you, but that has led me to placing a lot more smaller orders versus last year. I was doing these huge hauls. Today's unboxing and try on is one of those small orders. I have 3 items and 3 items only. I love them all and I think you really like them as well. They are statement pieces, but they are versatile at the same time, so I can't wait to show you. You might have seen me styling a few of them already if you're part of my Facebook group. If you're not, I'm gonna link to it in the description box below. I hope you join us on there. I share content daily related to personal style and fashion. I'll let you know if there are any sales going on, discount codes, restock alerts, gossip surrounding Sezane new collection releases. I hope you join us on there, and I'm also gonna link my Instagram account. If you're active on the platform, please stop by and say hi. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. Really quickly, I want to highlight my new watch. It's by Fossil. I just received it and I am in love. It's like a beautiful piece of jewelry. It goes with everything. I love, 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 love it. Originally, the size that it came in, it was much larger, but I removed a few of the links and now it fits me like a glove. Prepare to see it pretty much with everything I'll be wearing going forward. Here I have the Leandra Skirt size 34. It's my usual size for Sezane bottoms. It fits true to size, no need to size up or size down. The material is jacquard, medium weight. The skirt is lined. We have seen this silhouette before, but I particularly never tried it. I don't own another Leandra skirt and I don't know what I was sleeping on because this design is actually really, really cute. It's very flattering. You have a good length for a mini, you have deep functional pockets, and you have this tie waist that can be cinched right where your curves are. In terms of versatility, this skirt has surpassed my expectations. When I first ordered it, I thought, oh, it's just, you know, like a fun statement piece. But when it arrived, I started trying it with different sweaters and I was blown away how versatile it is. Every color you have here in this pattern, you can use as inspiration to what to put on top. And the options so far have been endless. Altogether, a fantastic piece, great addition to anyone's closet. This here is the Julietta Jumper. Size extra extra small, which is my usual size for knitwear from Sezane. I find that their boxy silhouettes fit my frame best when I go with the smallest size possible. Really vibrant, fun colors. You have white and green. If this is not your cup of tea, there is a beige and white version coming, and that one looks really elegant and elevated. This one is more of like a fun statement. Initially, I wasn't sure just how many combinations of different outfits I can get out of this piece, but surprisingly, it goes with quite a few things. I love it with jeans or a pair of white pants. It's also really fun if you have bottoms in the same color. I happen to have this really beautiful J. Crew skirt. I'm gonna also link it in the description box below, but it's the same green with a kind of like off-white polka dots, and when I pair it with this top, it's a very interesting monochromatic look that's still very playful because of the 2 patterns. I also really like this floral with a animal print. It creates more of a statement, everyday look. Altogether, I think it's a really fun, fuzzy jumper. It has a little bit of itch. For those of you who have sensitive skin, this might not be your favorite. If you're looking for a jumper with 0 itch, I love that Sezane brought back the Diego jumper. I had the white for a year now and it's one of my most worn winter sweaters. I also saw it's coming in red, so really great options for the sensitive skin types out there. This here is the Carolina skirt, size 34, which is my usual size for Sezane bottoms. It fits true to size. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I have a few of these skirts. It's hands down my favorite mini design by Sezane. It's so easy, it's so flirty. and it's a 4-season piece. You can style it for spring, summer, fall, and winter. And this color combo right here, I find it particularly versatile because you have so many shades of beige and you have black and a pop of blue, so you can really let your imagination run with it. And every closet out there will have at least 3 options that will go good with this Carolina. Altogether, if you are on the market for a mini skirt, I think this is a no-brainer, very easy to style and really comfortable. Alright everyone, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of my bounty, which items are your favorite, have you shopped Sezane's fall collection releases? I want to know. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up, it really helps my channel. Consider subscribing, I would love to see you around more. And don't forget to join me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm linking both in the description box below. I hope you stop by and say hi. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.